And then comes Nakula. What is Nakula's name? Tick tick 1, tick tick 2. Dhamagrandhi. Grandhi. So Dhamagrandhi comes. Nakula is apparently very, very handsome guy. And when he enters, Virat Raja says, "You are someone who is fit to take care of my treasury, not horses. Please take care of my treasury. I'll place my entire wealth in your hands. You manage it. You are fit for that. Not to take care of. There are other people who can take care of horses. They will take care of that. But you please take care of it." He says, no, I am not even, I have no idea of what you're talking about. I don't know how to maintain accounts. I'm very, very poor in math. I don't know how to do this. Can you please let me do what I am good at? Please. Otherwise, it's okay. I'll go and find another job. But then Virata Raja, he's like, no, don't go anywhere. Please come in. Because he doesn't want to let people go who are so graceful. He wants them in his, they are like a good omen to the king. He thinks that, okay, people like me, people like them should belong to my kingdom. I cannot let them go. And then similar situation with Sahadeva as well, and everybody, all 5 of them are set in the court of Virata Raja according to the roles that they have chosen. Virata Raja led them.
What about Draupadi?
Draupadi we will discuss next week, but before that we will finish about this particular topic. So, any questions by the way? All 5 of them have come. All 5 of them have said that we have worked for Dharmaraja, and everybody in the world at that point of time knew that Pandavas were on Ajnatavasa. Pandavas Ajnatavasa just started. The entire world knows about it. Any questions now? Yes?
How do they not suspect anything about
Correct. That was my question too. Why did they not suspect anything? For this, there is no direct answer in Vyasa Bharata. I had to go and listen to the Pravachanas of Chaganti. So this, whatever I am quoting is from Chaganti Pravachana. Yes. Can you give that? Okay. So, what Chaganti Koteswar Rao, ayana em cheptarante, guys, what he says is, it is written, it is directed by Lord Shiva himself that Virata Raja only thinks until that point but doesn't pursue his thoughts beyond that. Sometimes it so happens that every day I drive car, every day I take this route, but all of a sudden one day I forget to stop there and I take a turn, and that day I meet with an accident. It's not first time that I'm driving in that road. I have probably drove my car in the same road so many hundreds of times already. But this thing happens only one day. I cannot understand. I'll come back home, I'll think about it. I can never understand why I have made that kind of a silly mistake or a blunder, like which I wouldn't even do in my dream. Even if I was half drunk and driving, I wouldn't drive like that. But one day in my full senses, I commit that kind of a mistake. There is no rational explanation to certain things. Certain things are written, certain things have to happen that way. Human intervention, human brain, human psychology doesn't function there. That is bound to happen. That is why it doesn't mean that Virata Raja is a person with low IQ. That's not what it means. Virata Raja, even though he thinks that, okay, these people look so graceful, they don't seem like someone who cooks day in and day out. But then he stops thinking after that. He doesn't pursue his own thoughts after that. That is blocked by Shiva himself. Because all the gods want to support Pandavas. Because Pandavas are always following Dharma. It's not like they're partial towards Pandavas. God supports those who are following Dharma. That is what it means. So, with that said, we will end today's Virata Parva. We will continue Virata Parva. We will see how Draupadi makes into the, how Draupadi makes into the court of Sudeshna and the events that follow. So, in Virata Parva, they have to spend 12 years, right? 12 months, right? Out of 12 months, 11 months pass by just like this. After Draupadi comes into the court of Sudeshna. Okay? Huh? Next week, I don't think so. I doubt. But I'll try to.